Hello guys, so I recently hosted a photo contest on actually Finland's YouTube channel, and the contest was about the most beautiful Finnish nature photo. So Finland is beautiful, the nature is indeed beautiful, and I received plenty of photos, and it was a difficult choice actually to choose between them, that who is the winner. Nevertheless, there needed to be a winner. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the photos from the winner, and the winner is supposed to get a 20 euro gift card to Zalando. But since the other pictures was also beautiful, so I have decided to include those pictures also in this video, just to give kind of credit to those people who participated into the contest. If you are following me only on TikTok and you're not subscribed to my YouTube, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we host such type of contest there, and also it's a different community. So let's see the pictures.